You've heard the saying, love at first sight. But what if you're not quite sure how to make that happen? Today, we're going to talk about something that's both super important and super confusing: how to attract and maintain a high-quality partner. I mean, let's be real, we've all been there. You see a fine-looking specimen across the room, and you're like, dang, I gotta get me some of that. But how do you actually get them to notice you? Well, we got you. Here are 5 do's and 10 don'ts. Make sure to stick to the end, because there will be a golden nugget that you don't want to miss. Let's start with the do's. Be confident. First and foremost, you gotta be confident. I'm talking strut your stuff like a boss. High-quality partners want someone who's comfortable in their own skin and knows what they want. So, stand up straight, make eye contact, and own your awesomeness. Be funny. Another key factor is having a good sense of humor. High-quality partners want someone who can make them laugh and bring a little joy into their lives. So crack some jokes, tell some stories, and don't be afraid to be a little goofy. Laughter is the best medicine after all. Be attentive. If you want to maintain a high-quality partner, you got to show them that you're there for them. Listen to them when they talk. Ask questions. And remember the little things they tell you. This shows that you care and that you're invested in the relationship. Be supportive. Another important factor is being supportive of your partner's dreams and aspirations. High-quality partners want someone who's got their back and is willing to help them achieve their goals. So, offer encouragement, give advice, and be a sounding board when they need it. Be chivalrous. Finally, it's essential to be chivalrous. High-quality partners want someone who's kind, thoughtful, and respectful. So open doors, pull out chairs, and pay attention to the little things that make them feel special. It may seem old-fashioned, but trust me, it works. Don'ts. Don't be needy. One of the biggest don'ts when it comes to attracting and maintaining a high-quality partner is being needy. High-quality partners want someone who's confident and independent, not someone who's clingy or always needs attention. So give them space, pursue your own interests, and don't be afraid to be alone. Don't be arrogant. Another major don't is being arrogant. High-quality partners want someone who's confident, but not someone who's full of themselves. So don't brag about your accomplishments or put others down to make yourself feel better. It's a major turn-off. Don't be lazy. If you want to maintain a high-quality partner, you gotta put in the effort. High-quality partners want someone who's willing to work for the relationship and put in the time and energy to make it work. So plan dates, surprise them with little gestures, and show them that you care. Don't be inconsiderate. Another big don't is being inconsiderate. High-quality partners want someone who's thoughtful and respectful, not someone who's rude or dismissive. So pay attention to their needs, be polite and courteous, and don't take them for granted. Don't be closed-minded. Finally, it's important not to be closed-minded. High-quality partners want someone who's open to new experiences and willing to try new things. So be adventurous, be curious, and don't be afraid. Don't be judgmental. Another big turn-off for high-quality partners is being judgmental. If you want to maintain a healthy relationship, you have to be accepting and understanding of your partner's choices and beliefs. Don't be quick to criticize or dismiss their opinions, even if you disagree with them. Instead, be open-minded and try to see things from their perspective. Don't be selfish. High-quality partners want someone who's willing to put the relationship first. If you're always putting your own needs and wants ahead of your partner's, you're going to have a hard time maintaining a healthy relationship. Make sure you're taking your partner's feelings and needs into consideration when making decisions, and be willing to compromise when necessary. Don't be dull. High-quality partners want someone who's interesting and engaging. If you're always talking about the same things or doing the same activities, your partner might start to get bored. Make sure you're keeping things fresh and exciting by trying new things and exploring new interests together. Don't be disrespectful. Respect is a crucial aspect of any healthy relationship. If you're disrespectful towards your partner, it's going to be hard to maintain a strong connection. Make sure you're treating your partner with kindness and consideration, and avoid belittling or insulting them. Don't be dishonest. Honesty is the foundation of any strong relationship. If you're not being truthful with your partner, it's going to be hard to maintain their trust. Make sure you're always honest about your thoughts, feelings, and actions, and don't hide things from your partner. So, there you have it, guys. The do's and don'ts of attracting and maintaining a high-quality partner. Remember, it's important to be confident, funny, attentive, supportive, and chivalrous while avoiding neediness, arrogance, laziness, inconsideration, closed-mindedness, judgment, selfishness, dullness, disrespect, and dishonesty. At the end of the day, attracting and maintaining a high-quality partner is all about being the best version of yourself and treating your partner with love and respect. So go out there, be awesome, and find that special someone who appreciates you for who you are. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.